Hello guys, welcome back to TechFort 3X, the place where we cut through the noise and bring you the absolute best tools and tips for creators. Let's be real, everything is just way too expensive right now. Adobe subscriptions, stock images, editing software. It feels like you need a small loan just to make content, but the truth is, you don't. Today, I'm breaking down 12 completely free tools that every creator needs to be using in 2025. And these aren't random budget hacks. These are serious tools that pros are already using. We're talking free Adobe alternatives, editing software, stock video sites, music libraries, organization apps, and even some secret YouTuber tools that the big channels won't tell you about. So stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to level up your content creation without spending a cent. Let's kick things off with the heavy hitter, DaVinci Resolve. This is basically the free version of Premiere Pro and Final Cut combined. It's a professional-grade editor that's used in actual Hollywood productions. Multi-track editing? Check professional color grading? Check advanced audio mixing and VFX? Check all free. And here's the kicker. If you learn DaVinci Resolve today, you're learning an industry-standard tool that can literally land you jobs in the editing world. At TechFort 3X, we always say this: your editing software should never be the thing holding you back, and DaVinci makes sure it never is. Next up, for all my thumbnail designers, let's talk about Photopea. Think Photoshop, but free and online. That's it. It works with PSD files, it has layers, masks, text effects, blending modes, everything you need to make professional thumbnails or graphics. I've literally opened free Photoshop templates in Photopea, edited them, and exported without paying a single dollar. For creators on YouTube or Instagram, this one tool is a game changer, and again, totally free. If you're more into short-form content, TikToks, Reels, YouTube Shorts, you need CapCut. This app is basically the official TikTok editor, and it's loaded with trending effects, captions, and transitions. Tons of creators have blown up entire accounts using nothing but their phone and CapCut. If you're part of the TechFort 3X community, you know we talk a lot about efficiency, and this app is pure efficiency for short-form creators. All right, audio creators, podcasters, voiceover artists, streamers, this one's for you. Audacity is the king of free audio editing. It looks a little old school, but don't let that fool you. With noise reduction, EQ, and multi-track editing, it's perfect for cleaning up voice recordings or even mixing podcasts. And trust me, nothing ruins a great video faster than bad audio. So add Audacity to your toolkit. Now, let's talk graphics. For digital artists, illustrators, and animators, Krita is incredible. It's open source, it's powerful, and it's completely designed for creators who love to draw. On the flip side, if you want to make quick designs, social posts, or thumbnails, Canva is your best friend. Canva gives you thousands of free templates, stock photos, and even background removers on the free plan. At TechFort 3X, I use Canva all the time for quick mockups and graphics when I don't want to spend hours designing from scratch. Creators don't just need tools for making content. We need tools for staying organized. That's where Notion and Trello come in. Notion is an all-in-one productivity beast. You can build content calendars, databases, and even store your video scripts in one place. Trello, on the other hand, is super visual. I use it to drag my video ideas across boards, scripting, filming, editing, uploading. Both tools are completely free, and honestly, they've saved me from forgetting ideas more times than I can count. Here's a creative hack you might not have thought of: Discord. Everyone knows it for gaming, but I use it as my personal creative hub. You can set up your own private server to drop script ideas, thumbnail drafts, links, or even schedule reminders for uploads. It works across phone, tablet, and desktop. Think of it as your free cloud-based notebook, but way cooler. One of the hardest parts of being a creator isn't coming up with ideas. It's being consistent. Apps like Streaks and Focus Friends make that so much easier. Streaks helps you track daily habits, like writing a script or editing 30 minutes a day, and Focus Friends, it's hilarious. You get a little digital bean who just wants to knit, and if you keep checking your phone, you interrupt him. It sounds silly, but trust me, it keeps you focused. Little apps like these can seriously level up your consistency. Now, for anyone juggling multiple platforms, scheduling posts is a lifesaver, and the best free scheduler is Buffer. You can queue up Instagram posts, tweets, Facebook updates, all at once. It's the perfect way to stay consistent without being glued to your phone 24/7. I still upload my YouTube videos manually, but for socials, Buffer is absolutely essential. You knew this one was coming. OBS Studio. This is the free open source tool every streamer and screen recorder uses. Want to live stream? OBS. Want to record your gameplay or tutorials? OBS. Want professional looking scenes and overlays? OBS. The fact that it's free is insane because people are running entire businesses on this one software. Every creator needs stock footage, images, or music at some point. Instead of paying ridiculous fees, check out Pexels, Unsplash, and Mixkit. For music, the YouTube audio library and freesound.org are amazing. At TechFort 3X, I use these resources all the time to find background music, stock clips, or even quick sound effects, and they're 100% free. And finally, two of my secret secret YouTube growth hacks, vidIQ and thumbsup.tv. vidIQ is a free Chrome extension that helps you find video ideas with high search volume and low competition. Basically, it tells you what people are searching for that other creators aren't making. Thumbsup.tv, on the other hand, lets you test your thumbnails to see how they'll look in light mode, dark mode, desktop, and mobile. These tools can literally make or break a video's success. I use them for every upload on TechFort 3X, and that's it. 12 free tools that every creator should be using in 2025. With these, you don't need to waste hundreds on expensive software or subscriptions. Everything you need is already out there for free.